Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Supabase Storage to Android using Kotlin step by step clearly. To connect Supabase Storage to your Android application using Kotlin, start by setting up your development environment. Ensure you have Android Studio installed on your machine. Create a new Android project or open an existing one where you want to integrate Supabase. Open the build.gradle file for your app module. Add the Supabase dependencies to the Dependencies section. You will need to include the Supabase client library and its related dependencies. Sync your Gradle files to download the necessary libraries. Next, navigate to the Supabase website and create an account if you don't have one. Once logged in, create a new project and take note of your Supabase URL and API key. Go back to your Android project and create a new Kotlin file for your Supabase configuration. In this file, import the necessary Supabase libraries. Initialize the Supabase client by passing your URL and API key. Now, create a function to upload files to Supabase Storage. Inside this function, specify the bucket name where you want to store your files. Use the Storage API to upload files by taking the file path as a parameter. To upload an image, get the file from the device storage using an intent. Once the user selects a file, call the upload function you created earlier. Make sure to handle any exceptions or errors during the upload process. After uploading, you may want to get the public URL of the stored file. Use the appropriate API call to retrieve the file's public URL for display or sharing. To download a file, create another function using the Storage API. Pass the file's path to download it from Supabase Storage. Next, implement a user interface to allow users to upload and view files. In your activity layout, add buttons and views for file selection and display. Finally, test your application on a physical or virtual Android device. Ensure that file uploads and downloads work as intended without any errors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.